So after that, let's handle the submit, or I can say the update button. Okay, but before it, what I want to do here, I want to do something very tricky. So you can see here we are able to see the form. So what I want here, I want to hide the form, or to do not display the form at the first press until the update button is clicked. So how can we do this? Let me do on top of div, okay, div class, call smd7, add extra div above it, and add the extra div at the end. Okay, then after, what you can do here, okay, let me show you something here. So once user click like this, you can see update button clicked. So this means, okay, wrap it with a bracket. Okay, it's okay. Then after, let me cut everything from here. Okay, what about this? So let me cut everything from here up to here. Okay, let me cut this. How many div? Okay, paste it here and add the extra div while removing one div here. Okay, that's it. So once I refresh here, you will no longer see the form. All right, it should be something like this. So once I click update, you can see we are able to see the form. Okay, but on the first press, when these pages load, you cannot see the form. So what next if we see the form? Boom, boom. Let me come here in form. All right, so let me put this as not submit, I can say update, and the color is success. Okay, but I want to do something here, another. I can do something like this. If article, let me take this. If I'm able to get the ID of article, means someone wants to update. So let me paste it here, and here instead of saying null, I can do something like this. Here I can say this will be post. Okay, and the class will be primal. Control S to save the changes. Okay, you can see update. The next thing to do here is to handle this button. Okay, so how do we get there? So here in component, let me create another file. I can say API service .js. So here in API, I can say export default class. So it will take article ID and the body. Let me define my method, which is put for the case. Do something like this. Then body is equal to JSON dot stringify. So this is our function to update article, but we need to create something to trigger this function. I hope you understand. So let me come here in form. Okay, so here I'll do something like this. I'll say on click to trigger the function. only click, Control S to save the changes. Then here on top, I would like to import API service. So this will take the article, okay, which is article to be updated, then send it in API service.update article is title, okay, which will be stringified by JSON and the description. So description. So that's it here. Let me say dot then. Let me say response. Okay. And here, okay. So here I can say okay, value should be something like this if I'm not wrong. Okay, yes, you can see I'm able to edit it. So let me also copy this and paste it. Okay, on change. Oops. So let me copy this up to here on change. Okay. On change. Here I can say set description to modify the use state. Yes. So let me get back here. So once I refresh this page, once I click on update, I can be able to edit. Okay, and I can also be able to edit. So what happens if I click update? Boom. Is there anything? Let me inspect. Okay, console. Uncaught promise resp.json is not regular formula, but let me see if it is updated. Okay. Okay, you can see it is already updated. So let me try. Let me do something here. There is error here. It was saying the error was saying this is not in. It is here in the form. There is error. Okay. Okay. Let me leave something like this. So let me try out it to update. Okay, so let me say updated, and here updated. Okay, once I click update, you can see nothing shows, and once I refresh, you can see we are able to update it both title and article. But what I want to do here is once now we have updated, okay, we don't need to refresh the browser in order to see the changes. But how will we do this? We'll do this by using let me do something here. Let me open up this app.js, and here let me create a const for articles, okay, dot map. I think you know what is articles. It is here, articles fetched or updated by use effect here. So I can say dot map here. I think let me see where does this end. So here at the end it should be something like this. Okay, new article. Make Ctrl S to save the changes, and here in forms I can say props. Here I can say props dot update article, not update article, update information, what is the name? Update information. This should be should be something like this. Let me Ctrl S to save the changes. Updated information should be passed here in article list. Okay, should be passed. I think something like this, if I'm not wrong. Should be here. Let me Ctrl S to save the changes. Let me refresh this. Alright guys, so let me click here. Okay, let me say updated to, and I click save, and quote props.update information is not a function. What is this? Okay, dot zen labs props. Okay, let me see what is happening. Updated information. Should okay, let me see. Updated the information should be okay. Let me put you here in form. Okay, let me refresh here. Okay, let me click something like this. Wow, we are now able to update. So we are now able to update without refreshing. So let me see how to install Python. In this session you will cover the installation of Python. Okay, once I click update, wow, you can see we are able to update the article. So this is how to update the article.